This is a petition by Mr. Peter Kamau Gitau seeking parliamentary intervention regarding the recruitment of Kenyan nationals into the Russian army and the detention of Kenyans in Ukrainian prisons. Mr. Speaker, I take this opportunity to present this petition on behalf of the families of Kenyan nationals who are unlawfully recruited and sent to serve in the armed forces of the Russian Federation, as well as those currently detained in prisons within Ukraine. We, the undersigned citizens of the Republic of Kenya, on behalf of other families of Kenyan nationals who are unlawfully recruited and sent to serve in the armed forces of the Russian Federation and others currently detained in prisons within Ukraine, hereby submit this urgent petition for consideration by the Senate. And we wish to draw the attention of the Senate to the following. Number one, that whereas the war between the Russian Federation and Ukraine has been ongoing since February of 2022, in the past few years, some Kenyans have found themselves recruited by local agents purporting to place them in jobs in Russia, only for them to arrive there and be moved to serve in the Russian military. The total number is estimated to be upwards of 3,000 individuals, but no proper follow-up has taken place to trace all of them. That our relatives were recruited within the Republic of Kenya by unscrupulous agents under false pretenses, that upon arrival in Russian Federation, many were coerced, deceived, or compelled into military service, that some Kenyan nationals have been killed, injured, captured, detained, or gone missing, that families have not received any official communication on the status of their relatives from relevant state agencies, including the Ministry of Interior and Coordination of National Government, the Ministry of Labor, and the Ministry of Foreign and Diaspora Affairs, despite making numerous visits to these government agencies. That the recruitment appears to closely resemble human trafficking and unlawful foreign military enlistment. Two, that whereas we, the undersigned, on behalf of other families of Kenyan citizens illegally recruited to serve in the Russian military, have pursued all possible means, including but not limited to petitioning and lobbying state agencies responsible to help find and repatriate our relatives, dead or alive, back to Kenya, we have been unable to make any progress, leaving many families despondent and heartbroken, with no knowledge on the fate of their relatives who were sent to Russia. Three, that none of these issues raised in this petition is pending in any court of law, constitutional, or any other legal body. Wherefore, your humble petitioners pray that the Senate investigates the matter with a view to recommending to the relevant government agencies to, number one, secure the release and repatriation of all Kenyans currently detained in Ukrainian prisons back to Kenya. Number two, facilitate the return of bodies of deceased Kenyans and providing the necessary support to the affected families. And lastly, Honorable Speaker, conduct investigations into recruitment agencies, agents, and trafficking networks involved in the illegal recruitment of Kenyan nationals. I thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Now, Honorable Senators, pursuant to Standing Order 2381, I commit that petition to the Standing Committee on National Security, Defense and Foreign Relations for the consideration. Now, in terms of Standing Order 2382, the committee is required in not more than 60 calendar days from the time of reading the prayer, which is today, to table its report in the Senate for consideration. The Senate shall thereafter consider the report of the said committee. I thank you. Next order, Clerk.